G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. We're going to take a look at the Savotta Universal Sternum strap. This thing here. Now I've got it installed on the Savotta Yaqui Small because anybody who knows about the Yaqui Small, it doesn't come with a hip belt or a sternum strap. It's just this webbing coming down for the shoulder straps. Right, the weight of it, let's get all this out of the way, is 50 grams. Total length is 50 centimeters, 100% polyester with 25mm buckles on it. Universal tri-glide buckle system, which are these things here. 5-year warranty for material and workmanship, and it's made in Finland, Estonia. So now that's all out of the way. Now I've put over 180 kilometres of using this on this Yaqui Small, which is about 110-120 miles. Before I put it on, it was a bit of a pain, keep doing this all the time, holding it. But these packs are made where they can carry a lot more weight than any normal 20-litre backpack. Now I've added side pouches on here also, and I've got these here. I'll show you these on another one. They're not Savotta, and I made a few changes to the pack which I'm going to make another video about to show you how I've made it more comfortable for me. But let's get rid of that walking pole there. Buckles, really good. Normal Savotta 2M, these ones are. Just click in nice and secure. Big thumb points, access points, so you can just squeeze it whether you're wearing gloves or not. Easy to get in on and off. We've got those buckles here for the slide. So what we're going to do, let me show you. I'll take this one off. To install it, we can have one on one side, the female and the male on the other, and we're just going to hook it through the webbing loop. And which one did I have it through? Let's remember, I think it was the first one, yes. So hook it through the webbing loop here. Get it to the length you want, which mine is, let's just double check. So about 2.5 inches past the tri-glide. So I'll just put it up through one side, try and get my fingers out your way. That's about the 2.5 inches. Pull it out of the way and push it down the other side here of the tri-glide. Awkward when you're wearing it, but if I can do it while wearing it, you should be able to do it whilst it's on your table or your desk or on your lap. And that's that done. That's going to go nowhere. The actual tri-glide is holding it in place. Buckle it up. Everything's held in place. And it also gives me somewhere to put my hydration hose through. The actual loop where it comes through the webbing, so that's not flipping around or losing it over my shoulder. I've just done today so far 5 kilometres, few inclines, few declines, and just by adding this has enabled me to get this in the right location to make it as comfortable as possible for me, so it's not sliding backwards and forwards. I actually put this on before I put the padding on up here. So I did notice a difference then just by being able to get in the right position for it and having it hold in place, where before I was having to hold it with my hands here or hold like this as I'm walking along just to hold it in place, where now my hands are free. That's it, simple, nice and easy, makes a big difference. And like it is says it's a universal one, so if you've got another pack and one on your other pack breaks, you can replace it with this. You don't have to have a Savotta pack. Any pack that's got the webbing coming down, you can install this on there. Nice and simple, nice and easy. So short and sweet video, and if you have enjoyed the video and you're not a subscriber, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bar next to it and select all so you can be notified of all future videos. Hit the thumbs up button, the like button, and if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much.